The Ages and Stages Questionnaire, also known as ASQ, is a developmental screening tool used by healthcare providers to assess a child's communication, motor, problem-solving, and personal social skills. It is designed for children between 1 month and 5.5 years old. The ASQ comprises a series of questions that parents or caregivers answer about the child's abilities and behaviors. The questions are divided into different age ranges and cover various skills. Developmental psychologists Diane Bricker and Jane Squires developed the ASQ. The questionnaire has been translated into several languages and is used by healthcare professionals all around the world. The ASQ is important for identifying potential developmental delays or disabilities in young children. By completing the questionnaire, parents and caregivers can provide valuable information about the child's development to help healthcare providers make accurate assessments and provide appropriate interventions. Here are some of the healthcare providers and professionals who use the ASQ: pediatricians and primary care, early intervention specialists, educators and childcare providers, public health professionals, and researchers. To use our ASQ, follow these steps. Download our free ASQ form off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Give the parent or other caregiver the questionnaire. Inform them that the screening instrument will evaluate the child's development. Provide a copy of the ASQ questionnaire appropriate for the child's age to the parent or caregiver. Each quiz covers a range of skills and is grouped into distinct age groups. Ask the parent or caregiver to complete the questionnaire and respond to the questions to the best of their knowledge. The questions are made to be simple to grasp and relate to the skills and behaviors of their child. Review the questionnaire's responses with the parent or caregiver to ensure all the questions have been addressed. Ask the parent or caregiver to elaborate on the response of any questions needed to be answered. Use the ASQ scoring sheet to evaluate it, usually supplied with the questionnaire. Each domain will be given a score on the scoring sheet, indicating if the child's growth is on track. Based on the ASQ results, give the parent or caregiver input regarding their child's development. Talk with the parent or caregiver about the next steps, such as scheduling more assessments or interventions if the child's growth needs monitoring or further evaluation. Here is a sample of our ASQ from our Carepatron platform. To find our ASQ, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.